We have a good announcement today. There will be new fuel and LPG prices as of the 15th of July, commencing 15th of July midnight. There will be a decrease in the prices for fuel and LPG. It's obviously because after the review of the period of April to June, there were some attributed favourable movements and production cuts until March 2018 by petroleum suppliers. Also increase in the US petroleum production, higher demand for refined products, refined petroleum for this particular quarter, and the strengthening of the trade currency, which is the US dollar. So because of that, and we have a summary of the fuel prices that are changing. With respect to fuel prices, motor spirit will go from 195 down to 190, and spirits premix will go from 180 to 173. Kerosene will go from 136 to 131, and diesel will go from $1.60 to $1.53. And with respect to LPG prices, the 4.5 kilogram cylinder will go from $14.14 for the 4.5 kilogram cylinder to $12.67. The 12 kg cylinder will go from $37.71 to $33.78. Bulk will go from $2.67 to $2.39, and auto gas obviously at from $1.77 to $1.59. Basically this will be effective from the 15th of July midnight. Thank you very much. Any questions? And once again, just because of, we always say this, we'll continue to say this, just because the prices go down doesn't mean we use more fuel. Fuel is obviously a significant contributor to carbon emissions, etc. So we're asking the general public always to be mindful of that.